Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, September 4th, 2025. I today shocked me. I really didn't think we were going to have the grind up that we had today. Really, kind of a melt up, and everything actually started perfect. We had the gap up. I said to get short the spiders right at right pretty much at the top here, and it came down and I said what I was expecting was a gap fill, which we got that. I was just looking for an ABC move to come down to get long, but it just kept going. And then I was waiting for that other pullback, and I was caught chasing my tail all day today. We didn't have a good day with the fund. Well, actually, basically what we made yesterday, we gave up. It happens. I just really didn't expect the melt up to happen today, and it did. So where are we? We're getting pretty close to where where we were with the all-time highs. If they gap up tomorrow, remember this is going to be the area that we're looking at right around that 65.24. That's an ABC move, and if that takes place, well, actually, this ABC move is coming from ABC. That brings us right up to the 65.08 level. And we actually, if I go to another chart here, okay, so this is a little bit easier to see. So that's the first ABC move. Now the second one is going from actually let me see if I have it on here. Okay, let me hang on one second. Okay, so the second ABC move is going ABC, and that brings us up to that 65.22. So we have a smaller ABC that brings us right up to where we were the previous highs, and that's at the 65.09. If they gap above it, then we want to keep an eye on that 65.24 because this is going to be a gap to new all-time highs. We know what to do. We want to fade that, and as I said, next week is really the week that where the bearish cycle is supposed to start. So the one good thing, like I said, I'm trading the indexes on a daily basis. Obviously, today it was not a good one. I misread it, but the stocks that we have, they're all going down. So this is telling me that we have a market that's being driven by a few stocks again. I know Microsoft was up a ton. We had a bunch of things like that, but our overall core holdings are all heading down. So that's what we want. And like I said, I trade the indexes on a daily basis, really without a bias. Today just caught me off guard. I really, we had divergences forming from the beginning, and we had nothing more than a little 5 point pullback, and we just kept grinding higher. So if like I said, this is what we want to look on the top for the bears. They're, gosh, man, they're going to have to get the price back below here, the 64.90 just to start. But really, more important is going to be getting it back below these lows here, which is at the 64.50 level. So we have, everything is pretty much set up on this. We have bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart. We have bearish divergences on the daily, and we have. Let me just move this to the 60-minute chart here. 360, and you can see we don't really have them here, meaning that we had them here. This may have to form again. So what I'm looking for, if we head higher, down, and then up, this will give us the sell signals. But right now, like I said, I'm on the defensive as far as owning stocks, and tomorrow I think if we gap up, it will be a decent fade trade. And, we really just have to stay pretty quick right now. Today, momentum, you can see on an hourly chart, we didn't have one red candle. So this was pretty much a melt up. Again, took me by surprise. I didn't really expect that today. And it happens. It's not, I had signals even with the software that were looking for a pullback, at least of a 15, 20 point pullback, and it just never came. So it happens. What we made yesterday, we basically gave it back, and that's about it. So let's see. We have some jobs number or some economic numbers due out tomorrow. That's probably going to start the market. Again, if we gap up, I'm looking to fade that. If we come down, most likely it's going to get bid back up again, and we'll try to test these highs or the 65.20. But next week is where we really want to be on our toes. If we do see any kind of sharp decline, don't be surprised if it doesn't get bid up, and that will be the surprise for a lot of people. So with that, have a fantastic night, and I will talk to you guys.